Good morning from a very sunny and very dry Grafham. Excited to tell you, oh yeah, look, check out the shirt. They're in, you can order those now. The all different, so hoodies as well, but I'm not wearing a hoodie today because it is scorching hot. So we're here at Grafham to introduce you to our new project vehicle. There's a lot of chat around now. It's August now. During the winter months there's going to be hopefully an indoor comp season, or whatever you call it, for these little fellas. So welcome to Project Deadbolt. So literally straight out the box, put a battery in it. We're going to run it today and see what it can do, and then over the next few weeks we're going to put up some more videos basically showing you what these little things can do and how to upgrade them. Very excited to tell you that on the LCG Crawler site we've just added Furitech. We're now stocking Furitech parts, so there's going to be a lot of those going on, and obviously some other bits and pieces too, and to see how far we can take this and get it ready for the competitions. So we're going to give it a run, give it a try. I've got with me Landy Kev, and he's brought his little Jeep, which will fly into shot any second now. I can hear him running over. So he's got one too. Here he is, somewhere there. He's got a Axial SCX24 Jeep, and this is an Axial SCX24 Deadbolt. So I chose Deadbolt because Deadbolt's a really good platform for modding. It's got a nice wheelbase on it, and there's lots and lots of really good parts for it. And it's red, look, it's cool. I'm not sure the body's going to stay though, we'll see. Okay, so we're going to give them a run and see what they can do straight out of the box. Literally, it's been out of the box this morning. We've got them on the site now, so you can get them as well. But this is a fresh one out of the box, charged up the battery, and we're going to see what it can do. Okay, so here we are, here's the course. We're going to go along here, up along there, past the Micro Shark. We might run that later on. Around here, this is quite a big descent actually. There we go, down there, through there, and then over there. It's really difficult to know, really, how to set a course for one of these. Getting used to setting courses for 1/10 scale, but 1/24, we'll find out.
Yeah.
Right, reposition.
I think I helped it along a bit because it was on that pivot.
Right.
Yeah, that's it.
On a steering. Oh, there we go. Right. I don't think we've got good.
No. I think we're a bit too ambitious with
That
the,
might be a bit.
with the course.
Let's put that one back up there.
Yeah, I mean.
Right, we'll go along here. Okay, so we've got the Micro Shark here as a comparison to the box stock things. This has got some brass on it, it's got wheels and tyres and a different servo. So look, it steers. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This might be impossible for all of them, but so far okay, we'll do the same thing. We'll give it a little help over that bit. Feeling a bit more composed.
Definitely.
That's for sure. Gives you an idea. Well, just the fact it will stay there gives us an idea. Yeah, look at that. Side heading. Oh, this is the
Joys.
This is what we're learning today.
Nice.
I suppose it's a big drop off, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Take it down. got that?
You have. There you go.
There you go.
That's the way to do it.
Okay. And the SCX24 roll. I know we decided the other way is better.
But you want to try it with this one, just to see if there's a bit of marked difference, which there is. It's pretty mad, isn't it, really?
I know I hit the gate, but I made it.
Yeah.
Stuck in the hole now. There we go, like that. Okay, test rock. Here we go. First with the SCX24 Jeep. No mods. Straight out the box. Well, with some extra stickers. It's trying. Digging a hole. Let me run it. No, power didn't work either. It's going to go up there, it's going to go over that way a bit. Right? Okay. Let's put it on it and see if it'll drive up it. adjust. Okay, so now we'll try it with the Micro Shark. Yep, there we go. That's what happens when you need to mod your car. Gate. Right, so what have we learnt from today? They fall over a lot. They're quite hard to drive, they're quite jerky to drive, and the centre of gravity is just way off. Both the Jeep and this little fella were just falling over, so definitely in comparison to the Micro Shark, you need to get a lot of weight down low, look at tyres and wheels, and probably upgrade the servo because it's just gets stuck on things, and basically work on the central gravity and the controllability. We'll see how far we can get this. We'll come back with some more upgrades and see what difference it makes. But compared to the Micro Shark, this thing is just nowhere near. So out of 10, the Micro Shark's probably about a 7, this one's probably a 2. So upgrade time. See you in the next video.